G'day, this is Jason here from4XPipSnager 2.0. Today is October 31st, 2017, the last day in the month. Tomorrow is the first, where we gotta pay those darn bills. Anyway, let's get to it. So, here we're looking at the pound yen, okay? This is today, currently moving, as you can see, moving up. Yesterday, Monday, okay, we'll show you yesterday's trade set up. As you can see, there was no trade here because it did not pierce through the nearby resistance and then pull back to the trigger line. Okay, once again here, it sold off. There's no trade here again, okay? However, because the lines squished together and we pushed right through this triple top right here, okay? Actually even more, there's more here. Then pull back, this is where we would have bought, okay? So you would have bought right there as soon as price hit that line. Our stop would have been at the low of the day, that's right there, 42 pips. And it went up, how much? 48 pips. Would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. And as you know, you only do one trade, you win, you don't do a second one. You try to just do one and done, okay? Now, the reason why we were looking to buy instead of sell, okay, I forgot to tell you that point, is simply this, okay? We came down a long ways, okay? We've came down 200 pips, okay? So, when it comes down, we buy in the valley, we sell off the mountain peaks. That's the way we do it. We sell off of Everest, we jump off Everest, we sell, and then when we hit the bottom and die, no, just kidding. We buy from the valley, we climb back up the mountain. That's the way you do it. You buy low, sell high. Okay, that is why we're only looking for buy trades yesterday. Okay? Now, let's look at today. Again, we got a triple top here. Boom, boom, boom. See that? Then there's all this right here. And again, we're not looking to sell because it came down all that way. So as you can see, you don't sell here because it bounced back up off of major support from way over here. Okay, look at this, look at this, look at this. It's like a trend line. You do not sell into that because smart traders are going to be buying off of it, and that's what it's all about. Buying off of support, selling off of resistance. Okay, I kind of say that almost in every video, but I try to teach people this is the way we're doing it. Yes, we're just looking at a couple squiggly lines, which, you know, you can find on your platform, if you know what I mean. Okay, but there's more involved. There's much more involved to this system than that. There's a filter. Okay, I know I don't talk about the filter a lot. Okay, but when the trigger line is above the trend line, okay, it's pretty much blue all the time. When the trigger line is below the trend line, it's pretty much red. And that's why, you know, I don't really talk about that much. And people have been asking me about that lately. So that's what I'm telling you. Basically, what I trade off of is these two lines here and support and resistance. The key to this whole system and why it works is because we've implemented in with these moving averages, okay? But I have different names for them, okay? We've implemented and incorporated support and resistance. If you use support and resistance in your favor, you can succeed. If you don't, and you ignore it, you'll lose. You'll lose, for sure. That's why we have that in the system. That's why PipSnager worked back in 2009 when I first released the first copy of it, and it still works today in 2017. It's like 8 years later. It will still work in 2030. I could be dead by then. It'll still work if you follow what it says in here, okay? And I also want to say something to make people clear and understand that, yes, the old filter, okay, back in 2009, only worked on the 1 minute, 5 minute, and 30 minute, okay? This filter is is just, you know, it'll work on any time frame. That's what I spent many years developing this new filter. Okay? So anyway, a lot of people are confused about that because I include the old manual with the new. Okay? There's a reason why I do, because all the same rules apply to trading this system from 8 years ago as it is today. It's basically the same, except we have a more, how would you say, efficient trigger line. Okay, the trend line's still the same, but the filter's different. Okay, that's what's different about the system. For those who keep emailing me and asking me these questions about the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 30 minute, where are those? Where are those? Well, just click on the time frame and you'll get it. Right here. Here's the 1 minute. Okay, here's the 5, and here's the 30. Okay? Okay, I'm glad I got that straight. And I'm not trying to be a smartass about it. It's just, got so many people asking me that. It's like, come on. So anyway, let's look at today now. Let's look at today. We had triple 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We had major resistance there. We needed to clear through it before we looked for our trade. Right here was the candle. Okay? Right here it came back. Boom, you bought it. Boom, you had 5 pips drawdown. Right now you'd be making 71 pips. To the top, 88 pips potential. Okay, not saying you would have made 88 pips. I'm just saying the whole potential from the entry to the top is 88 pips. Let's take a look at the pound now. 15-minute we're looking at. Okay, just want you to see that. Yesterday. Okay, so because the pound came all the way down, all that we're looking for is buys. Okay, just looking for buys. Today we're looking for a sell, but yesterday we're looking for a buy. So if you would have bought it right here, it pierced through there, came back down. If you would have bought it, went up about 80 pips. Then it gave a sell right here, and as you can see, it went bad. It went bad, 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 bad. You lost 10 pips. Big deal. Okay. Then once it broke through here, let me put the line. See this triple top right here? Boom, 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 shakalak. It cleared it through here, came back down. You would have bought it here. Right now, you'd be making 34 pips, okay? Let's take a look at the yen. Same thing. See, the yen came all the way down here. Today, we're looking to buy, okay? But yesterday, let's take a closer look. It came from a high, okay? So because it came from a high, we're looking to sell. And the sell entry was over here on Friday, okay? And came all the way down, okay, 85, 86 pips, okay? There was an entry here to sell it again, and here, okay, yesterday, right here. Sell here. Well, actually, no, here you would have waited for the support and resistance to clear, right there. See this right here? Boom, shakalak. Okay, that was the candle that said, hello, look to sell, man. We're going down because we broke through support. We broke and closed below support. So then it came back up. Boom. You would have sold it right here. Okay. 26 pip stop. You could put even 34 pip stop. At the high of the day, you definitely got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Okay. Now today, we're looking to buy this sucker. Okay. So there's no correct gap size right here. And we're not going to sell here because it's bouncing off the support. So where would we look to buy? Somewhere in here. So if we drew a line, this is where the resistance is, okay? And if you wanted to wait till it actually pierced above it, see that? This candle right here, you would have got in right here on the retrace, and you're making only 22 pips right now. But it could go a lot higher today, you know? Let's take a look at gold. Okay, oh, look at what gold did today. Woo-wee. So, let's look at Friday. What did it do Friday? It sold off, right? Right over here. So, what did we look for? Oh, no, here's Friday right here. Friday, we were looking for a buy. There was a buy there, okay? Yeah, I didn't cover Friday, did I? Oh, Jason. Oh, well, it's too late now. Shit happens, and then you live another day. Okay, there was a buy there on Friday over here, and then there's another buy Right here, I wouldn't have sold it. Didn't go up high enough yet. Would have bought it here. There's 72 pips with your 25 pip stop. And now that we went up all this way, okay, from Friday, we went up a total of 147 pips. You're looking for a sell now, right? You're looking for a sell. So, right in here, okay, is not good because there's so much support in there. Boom, 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 shakalak. You would have not sold it there. You would have sold it right here. Actually, even right here. You would have waited for it to clear that. See, look. See? Right there. This is the candle that said, hello, it's time to sell. So if you waited for the retracement, you would have sold it there. If not, sometimes you just have to sell right away. There's hardly any retracement. You sell it, boom. And down it went, 64 pips. Okay? And that's pretty much it. So anyway, once again, I want to just say this is Jason Sweezy here from ForexPipSnager 2.0. I want to thank you for watching once again. And if you liked the video, hit that like button below the video. Also subscribe to my channel. You'll get the next video right away, even before it's published. So anyway, if you haven't picked up your copy yet, I urge you to click on the link below and pick up your copy of Snager 2.0 today. We'll see you Thursday. Have a great day.